Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing for you. But before the unboxing, I need to crack a beer. Yep, it's going to be a long night of videos. We need to get started the right way. Alright. Without further ado, I cannot actually find my normal unboxing knife. That was kind of what I was cracking a beer for, trying to kill a little time, maybe find my launch 10, don't know where it's at. But instead, I am going to be unboxing with a knife that I am reviewing today. This is the Spyderco Caparo. Alright, let's get this guy open right here. This is a used knife, secondary, from Les Internets. I don't know exactly what this is. I still don't know what exactly. It came with a sheath. Like, I don't know what that is at all. I have no freaking clue. Now I think I know, and I think I'm even more excited, but I don't know. Yep, I know what this is. I don't know why it came with a sheath, but maybe it comes with a sheath. I don't know. Oh, this is a big one, guys. This is a biggin. So here's the box, first and foremost. Don't know what that says. Reminds me of Taken, where they're like, you know, say good luck. Good luck. So this is a Russian knife. So anybody who knows, you don't have to see the knife yet. We're going to go through this nice and slow, like, it shows the knife. Oh, yeah, it's signed off. This is freaking cool. Oh, no, this is cool. This is cool. All right. So, there's the box without the knife. You guys like, stop it. This is the Cheburkov, if I'm saying that correctly, Toucan. Pretty sweet, guys. All titanium going on there. Cool pivot. I don't know how I'm going to undo that if I had to get into it. That'll be interesting. This does have a thumb stud, but, or not a thumb stud, but like a thumb disc, but it's more of like a thumb triangle, and it's angled very, very nice. Like, putting my hand on there, this doesn't feel like your typical thumb disc. This feels good. The blade centering, damn near perfect. Ready for the first flip. Fail. Holy smokies. Okay, hold on. I need to sit down. That's a strong detent, but literally felt assisted the moment I broke the detent. One more time. Oh, there it goes. Maybe I was pressing the... That's what it was. I was on the frame again. I have a problem with that. Whew. Yeah, that's a thing. Oh, this is a thing in hand too. Holy goodness. In hand, this is nice. Gosh. When this thing fires out, it sounds like it's gonna break. Like, oh, that one didn't. Hold on. Good Lord, this is awesome. So this is a Cheburkov Toucan. Ergonomically, at first glance, it feels amazing. At first glance, this blade looks ultra freaking slicey. This thing is made in 2018, I'm guessing. I'm guessing that's what that means right there. There you go. Just ultimate awesome action. Coming out with M390 blade steel, and it has this weird little thumb stud that works stupidly well. Yeah. Very excited for this. This was like something that I picked up kind of like unexpectedly. Like, I didn't mean to kind of get into this. I talked to the guy on Reddit for a couple other knives, and like I just kind of caved on this one. Like, I seen it and I was like, hey, you want to do a trade? Because you guys know me, I'm trying to trade to not kill my pocket, you know? And he's like, no, but I'll give you a deal on this one if you take this. Trust me, this is, you know, he's trying to sell it, but he's like, this is kind of like, you know, the upscale version of the Shaman, you know? And honestly, I don't know that I would compare the two. I guess I would have to have the Shaman in hand, which I don't have. But this is just something else, guys. Oh my goodness, this thing's very, very, very freaking cool. All right. Cut test. Nice and slicey. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Yes, 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 yes. All right. As you can see, if you guys saw that, that was my moniker for Reddit to sell some stuff. All right. Yeah, so this is pretty cool, guys. We got some milling going around here. No real chamfered edges, but it's all rounded to the point where it just, I don't feel, the edges aren't sharp. They're knocked down somehow, but they're not chamfered. Yeah. Little nick in the pocket clip right there, which I was aware of. Not a big deal. It's all a piece of titanium, but there's no milling on the inside, but it does not feel heavy. And this thing is just, I could see you falling in love with this because it's like a perfect piece to carry, like that it doesn't take up your pocket or anything. Oh, did you guys hear that? I think it snaps back. Like when you get a good fire off, I think it's trying to snap back or something. It's pretty cool. Like you get so much. So no up and down, no back and forth. Blade centering's perfect, like I said. No detent. Yeah, that's nice. Super freaking cool. I'm super excited to bring this to you. I want to bring you guys some different stuff. Now, this isn't like super upper echelon, crazy freaking pricey, but these also aren't cheap. Just as a heads up, this knife I believe is brand new, like $450, $425. Obviously, I didn't pay anywhere near that for it, but what I'm saying is like these are not cheap knives. They're if you go to from Russia with knives, you can find these there. So what do I see? You guys know I'm on this new thing where I gotta picture who's carrying this, right? You know who carries this knife? It's not a person. This knife, for some reason, reminds me of like, you know, in the movie Transformers, there's like a Transformer that has like a Russian accent. I don't even know if there was, but I can picture one in my head. And just because this is a Russian-made knife, I feel like a Russian Transformer would carry it. But I feel like it's going to be like a Russian Transformer that can transform into like, what would be a bronzed-style car? I don't know. I don't know what really a bronze-style car would be. Maybe like some sort of tractor equipment or something. Nah, that failed. I don't know. Transformer, but it looks sci-fi-ish, like the way it's cut out, and it's not overly sci-fi. It just looks contemporary, I guess would be a good word for it. And yeah, I clearly can't get my hands off it. So that was a fail at trying to figure out who this would be made for. Maybe a Russian assassin. Yeah, so that was kind of lame. But this is the Cheburkov Toucan. If I'm saying it wrong, let me know. Not Toucan. I know how to say Toucan, but Cheburkov. Not sure if I'm saying it right. And my name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great freaking day, guys.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit that thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.